kinetic energy and its expression. Kinetic energy, kinetic energy and its expression. Kinetic energy and its expression. So here let a constant force F, let a constant force capital F, here we have to consider constant force capital F be applied on a body, be applied on a body at rest, at rest till it starts, till it starts moving, starts moving with velocity v, with velocity v in the direction of, in the direction of force, in the direction of force. Here S be the displacement of the body during this time. Suppose capital S be the, capital S be the displacement of the, displacement of the body during this time. During this time. So the work done by the force is given by W equal to F dot S. That means F into S into we have angle, then theta equal to 0, then only we get W equal to F into S. So this is the diagram. Here F force, applied force, here M is the mass. When V equal to 0, when we apply the force, then this mass moves with velocity v, then displacement is S. Here F is a force. When we apply that force and body with mass m, then that body at rest position to starts moving with velocity v in the direction of force. So during this time S will be the displacement, capital S be the displacement. Here some work is done. That work we can write W equal to F dot S. The work done by the force, the work done by the force is given by W equal to F dot S equal to F into S, where theta equal to 0. If small a be the, if small a be the acceleration produced in the body, then according to Newton's second law, F equal to m into a, or F equal to m into a into s. From equations 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, we can write F equal to R. Here F equal to m into a. This is from Newton's second law. From this is considered equation 1, this is considered equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, here W equal to F into S. F equal to m into a. That means W equal to, we can write m into a into S. This is the third equation. So we have to find out the small a value, then to obtain the value of a, we use the formula, is v square equal to u square plus 2as. So u equal to 0, then we can write equation v square equal to 2as. Next, from this equation, a acceleration a equal to v square by 2s. This is the fourth equation. So first, the work done by the force is given by W equal to F dot S. That means F into S, because theta equal to 0. This is the equation 1. If A be the acceleration produced in the body, then we can write F equal to m into A. So from equations 1 and 2, so from equation 2, F value substitute in equation 1, we get W equal to m into A into S. After that, we have to find the a value using equation v square equal to u square plus 2as. If u equal to 0, then we get the equation is v square equal to 2as. From that equation, acceleration a equal to, we can write v square by 2s. So after this equation, so that is the fourth equation. From equation 4, a value substitute in equation 3. So what is the equation 3? Equation 3 is W equal to m into a into s. And from equation 4, a equal to v square by 2s. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So from equations 3 and 4, from equation 4, a value substitute in equation 3. W equal to m into a means v square by 2s into s. S value is cancelled. We get W equal to 1 by 2 m v square. So here the work done is equal to the kinetic energy of the body because work done on the body sets it in motion. Therefore, we can write kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 m v square. So here from equations 3 and 4, 3 and 4, we can write W equal to M into V square by 2S into H. So here S values cancel, we get W equal to 1 by 2 M V square. So here the work done is equal to the kinetic energy of the body, because work done on the body sets it in motion. Kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 M V square. So after that, potential energy and expression for gravitational potential energy. Potential energy and expression for gravitational potential energy. For this, what is the potential energy? The energy passed by a body by virtue of its position or configuration in same field is defined as potential energy. So here I am writing potential energy. Potential energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or configuration in some field is defined as potential energy. Potential energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or configuration in some field is defined as potential energy. So expression for gravitational potential energy. Here also calculate the gravitational potential energy. First of all, consider a body of mass m placed on the surface of the earth at position capital A. Here G be the acceleration due to gravity at earth's surface. So here the body is attracted towards the center of the earth by a force equal to its weight m into g. Suppose the body is raised from position A to position B through a height h without acceleration. The value of g small g remains practically constant during height h. The force F applied in overcoming the gravitational attracting is given by F equal to, we can write m into g. So the work done is given by W equal to force into distance. That means W equal to m into g into h. Then after that we get the potential energy equal to m into g into h.